Okay, this is a good one right here. Okay, you know, I understand. There's some more trees around here, but that could have possibly been part of the tree that's up right there, okay? But the thing is, there's no root base for that particular piece. Now, looks like right here maybe there's one. For this one. Yep, okay, that's a piece there. But man, what? That's been wedged in there. And it's been there for a while. Wow. Alright, maybe not, I don't know. I just found it peculiar. Looks like something that the old Sasquatches might do. Alright. So anyway, all's quiet for now. Anyway, I just wanted to share that one with some folks. All right.